We'll guide you through how to make a YouTube video full screen. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. At the moment, when I go and rotate my phone round like so, you're going to go and notice the video does go sort of partially full screen, but not completely, as we've got these black bars either side. So to go and remove these, then all you want to do is come to the bottom and go and click on U, like so. Then all you want to do is go to the top right and click on the gear or cog icon to open up your settings. Then all you want to do is go into video and audio preferences, and you want to go and click on playback, like so. And in here, what you can do is click on zoom to fill screen, and this will make videos full screen. So you can go and switch that on. I'll then press back like so and close out of here. I'll go and open up this video and I'll rotate my phone screen round. And as you can see, the video is now full screen. You can go and see is no black bars, and we can then go and watch it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video for more. We've got a lot more content to come and already a ton on the channel.